The most affordable foldable flip phone is back, and this time it's not just cute. Yes, the $999 Galaxy Z Flip 4 is stylish and comes in plenty of cool colors. But this futuristic flip phone is more practical this time around. There's a wider cover screen for quick replies, making calls, and shooting selfies. And the cameras are improved too, with the same nightography goodness as the Galaxy S22. Add in some more flex mode features and a beefier battery, and we could have a winner. Here's our hands-on impressions of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. The biggest design change for the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the larger cover screen, which is made tougher with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Samsung says the main display is 45% more durable too. You can do plenty with the cover screen without having to fully open the phone. This includes quick replies, making calls, paying for stuff using Samsung Wallet, and more. The Flip 4 is sleeker this time around too, thanks to a slimmer hinge and narrow bezels. This handset basically disappears into your pocket. In terms of colors, you can take your pick from graphite, aura purple, pink gold, and blue, or you can design your own flip with Samsung's bespoke website. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 delivers strong camera improvements with its two main lenses. There's a 12-megapixel main camera with a larger pixel size for better shots, as well as a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. Samsung also promises AI improvements for lighting and better video stabilization, along with features borrowed from the Galaxy S22 series. These include an AI portrait mode and nightography. And with Flex mode, you can take photos and videos hands-free, or you can live stream without having to use a tripod. The appeal of Flex mode on the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is that there's a number of apps that have their controls on the bottom and the content up top. Samsung says that Google Meet is now fully optimized, which is great for video calls. And other apps work with Flex mode, including YouTube, Netflix, and Disney+. There's even a weird new touchpad you can enable in settings. It works, but I don't see how it's very practical on such a small display. One of the biggest improvements to the Z Flip 4 is the battery. Samsung has upgraded from a 3300 mAh to 3700, which is rated to give you 3 more hours on a charge. A Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip powers this phone, and it seemed pretty snappy during our initial hands-on time. When it's time to recharge, Samsung says you can get to 50% in 30 minutes. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 remains a style statement, but Samsung is now backing the fashion up with more function, including a beefier cover screen, better cameras, and even more useful Flex mode with more optimized apps. It's just too bad that there's no telephoto zoom lens. And I'm especially interested to see how long the bigger battery lasts on a charge. While you're here, we've also gone hands-on with the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 lineup, so be sure to check out that coverage. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok at Tom's Guide for more news around Unpacked, and stay tuned for our full reviews. For Tom's Guide, this is Mark Spoonout.